Hey everyone, welcome to Vindex Engineering. This video is going to highlight all the different things that happened in 2021. 2021 marked the start of a few new chapters, and the close of a few as well. I changed jobs, leaving a place behind that I had been with for over 5 years. A place with amazing coworkers and bosses that ended up feeling more like friends and family than coworkers. I met some new people that are now awesome friends as well. And unfortunately, I lost a few friends in death this past year. I found true love. The kind of love that makes you realize that the love you felt in any other relationship pales in comparison. The kind of love that makes you take your project car that you base your YouTube channel around out to your parents' place, sell your house, and move 2,000 miles away to be with that person. Yes, 2021 was an interesting year, and 2022 is setting up to be even better. I hope you enjoy this recap video of the different projects and things that I did in 2021, and stay tuned for even more that's coming throughout 2022.